I'm here to commemorate the first anniversary of my YouTube channel, and I'm making some Kraft Dinner tonight. So let's get started. I got the pasta boiling in the pot. I use canned milk for my my Kraft macaroni and cheese. What you do, you open the can like this. You put one hole, and then you put the other hole here, because you have to have two holes so it doesn't pop on you, and this little guy doesn't want to behave. Okay, there we are. It says we need 1/4 cup, but I use 1/2 cup for my Kraft macaroni cheese because I want it really creamy. And I put the I have the can open, poke two holes, little camera trick, like so. Poke the two holes like that. And what I don't usually measure my milk, so I put half of it in a jar. Sorry. Okay. I put half of it in a jar, and okay. And I put the jar in the refrigerator because after you open canned milk, you have to use it within 5 days. It's like using fresh milk. Put the jar on the lid. Put the lid on the jar. Sorry, nervous. And we put it in the refrigerator. Oh, there's no place for it. And then we go, oh, God, it's sticking. Okay. Whoop. We go over here and stir the pasta. Make sure it doesn't stick, which it is doing right now. I'm sorry. But I got the wrong spoon, too. Busy day at ceramics class.
If you turn the heat down a little, your pasta won't stick.
Okay. Still filming. I turned the heat down. When you want to, you give it a little taste. Give it a little taste to see if it's done. Or sometimes you can tell by the smell it's done. Needs a couple more minutes because it's still kind of mealy. After I have like 4 tablespoons of butter here, and here's the cheese packet. What I do with the cheese packet. Sorry. This is nerve-wracking. Okay, stay. What I do with the cheese packet is I clip it with the scissors because I can't tear the package because my fingers don't want to work today. Okay, still a hard day at ceramics class. So, I got the pouch open, and let's check on our pasta one more time. See if it's done al dente. I like, to give it one more stir so it doesn't stick. And we got some stickage today. Ugh, what a hard day. And you should be using a slotted spoon for this. Put that in the sink to wash later. Okay. Now we're cooking. No pun intended. What I do with my slotted spoon is I give it a little, like, rake it like this. Okay. Steam on the camera. Okay. Rake it like this. Blow on the little piece of pasta you want to taste. Okay. It's done. When it doesn't feel mealy and it's nice and chewy, it's done. Put that on the back burner let that stay there for a couple minutes. I gotta do some dishes. take it off the heat so it doesn't continue cooking. So give it a little stir. Let's do some dishes. While it's still hot, you just leave it off the heat for a minute so it will be done done absorbing all the water. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna drain the pasta. Here's my sink. Okay. I have a shitty tripod. Anyway. What I like to do before I start draining is I turn the water on because turn on a little cold water so it doesn't melt the pipes, because we just got the house repiped with PVC. It used to have like the galvanized metal pipes. And leave a little water because evaporated milk is concentrated. A little more than regular milk. So what we do now is I take my okay. I'm gonna put this down for a sec. This is nerve-wracking. Okay. We put it on the heat. We add the milk. There you are. We add the milk. We add the milk right here. Okay, that goes in the trash. Okay, we take the cheese packet. Okay. And then we finally take the butter. And I'm gonna need to do a little switch here. Little switch. Okay. Okay. I don't have the right equipment. I'm using my phone. Oh. Okay. Oh God. Ay, ay, ay. I'm having a rough day. Guys, bear with me. I am having a rough day. Okay. Stay. Okay. We add the butter into the skillet in the pot here. I'm not talking right today. Oh God. Sorry, my mom just goosed me. Okay, what we do now, this is where the slide spoon comes on and this is why the slide spoon is important. We put the dial between gas mark 6 and 7, and let's turn this pot of ingredients into a little magic we call Kraft macaroni and cheese. Make sure all the butter is melted. All that butter is melted, and I'm gonna go get the pepper shaker because I like a lot of black pepper in my mac and cheese. I tried. Lord knows I tried. Lord knows I tried. Just make her cry. Okay, here's why the slide spoon is important. When you see all the liquid come out of the slide spoon, that means it still needs some time to cook. So we keep it between gas marks 6 and 7. This is not a gas stove, obviously, but it's what they used to call it when I was really little. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Blue Blouse Designs. Happy birthday to you and many more. I like to sing when I cook, but I usually play like a lot of surf punk when I cook, and this is crazy. Okay, it's starting to get thick. So what we want to do is see if any liquid pours out of the bottom of our slide spoon. Still needs more time. When it starts to get kind of thick and chunky, we take it off the heat. And what I usually do is, if it's just down to a trickle, the sauce is down to a trickle coming out of the spoon, I take it off the heat and let it rest for a minute. We're almost there. It's still pissing out of the spoon. Okay. Okay. It's starting to get a little thicker. I love how the steam envelops my Carl Zeiss optics. Okay. Still steady. Keep stirring so it doesn't stick. That's important. Keep stirring so it doesn't stick. Okay, still getting there. Watch how the pasta does. It's getting thicker. Watch how it does. After a moment, let's check with the spoon again. It's just dripping to a trickle, like so. Why it's important to use the canned milk is it makes it thicken up nice, thick and creamy. Okay, it's just dripping. So that's good. Take it off the heat. Slide it to the eye here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in a big old mug. No, that's not my mug. Gonna put it in a big old pasta mug because I love a pasta mug. And this is the one my autism group saw on Facebook. This is the same recipe I used. So we'll go over to our pasta here one more time. See how it does. That's just the pasta dripping out. So I hope this is a wonderful video, and please like and subscribe to my channel.